Hey guys, so got this Pelonis oil-filled radiant heater. It's getting a little chilly. It's around winter time, so picked this up at Home Depot for I think like 45 bucks. Looks like it's been repackaged, but all the boxes were like this, so maybe this is how they taped it up to make sure it was extra secure. So. All right, so these are supposed to be pretty efficient. Just heats up some oil, internal oil in here, and then that just stays warm for a while. So all right, so where are the wheels? The question of the day. All right, looks pretty good here. Tuck the wheels in there. How did they get that in there? Okay, so some assembly required apparently. Some wing nuts here. Shouldn't be too difficult. That should go on there like that. And likewise. Okay. And we got two over here. Interesting, those are a little bit closer together than the other ones. All right, so not sure how long this thing takes to heat up, but let's give it a shot here, shall we? These things put out a nice radiant heat. They don't warm up super fast, I don't think. Let's get this guy plugged in. It's supposed to be pretty quiet though. And ooh. With the oil sloshing around in there. I mean, is it really necessary to ensure that this little piece of plastic stays attached? I mean, that's highly annoying. Anyways, so let's plug this in. And it has a couple settings. There's a little snow warning there. Let's just turn on. Let's see. It says three settings: 600, 900, and 1500 watts. I'm sure those are those right there. And overheat protection, tip over protection, adjustable thermostat. Probably this right here. And then we have some instructions. So while that's heating up there, let's check this out a little bit. So. Don't put it by pillows and beddings at least 3 feet away. Unplug when not in use. Don't operate any heater with a damaged cord. Fire. Blah blah blah. Here's a quick polarized alternating current time line plug. Okay, how to put the wheels on. We did that. Turn on the heater. Place the heater on a firm level surface. Read some instructions with power setting control B in the O position. Plug the heater into grounded. Okay, so this is supposed to be in the off position it was. Turn it on by turning the power setting control clockwise to your desired settings. Okay, still not heating up yet, so. Okay, so here's a little power cord. Place to wrap the power cord. Wrap that up when it's not in use, it says, so that's kind of cool. This can pretty easily be rolled around, so that's kind of nice. It's kind of making little noises there. You can hear it heating up. And that's pretty much it. It has some stuff on the box here in Spanish, but also, so oil-filled heater heats the room by convection using closed oil circuit never needs refilling. So heats quickly, it's got 1 star out of 3. Heats entire room, it's got 3 stars. All these other ones don't really have the 3 stars, so that's kind of cool. Easy to carry, it's only got the 1 out of 3. Space saving, it's 2 out of 3. Quiet, it's 3 out of 3, and directional is 1 out of 3. So main thing, we just wanted this to heat up the bedroom, and it'd be quiet and fairly efficient. So out of the radiant heaters, or out of the heaters, the oil-filled one it doesn't have, I don't believe, these other ones like the ceramic one, they have like that coils that heat up, so I don't think those are very efficient compared to this one, but I'll have to research that some more. Anyways, it does have a little handle up here too you can grab onto, push it around or pick it up by that. It's not that heavy, maybe 10 15 pounds, so it's not bad, and it looks kind of cool. Let's see if we're getting any heat there. Oh yeah, so I can feel the heat starting to form in here. So like I said, it doesn't start coming out real fast, but it is starting to heat up kind of nice there. I can feel that, so it's putting out some good heat. So pretty nice little heater there. And I'll see if I can't find a similar one on Amazon, and I'll link that in the description below if you guys want to check out a mechanical oil-filled heater. So thanks for watching this unboxing and review. We'll see you guys next time, and have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.